And I was quite surprised to know that the President of India had given the land, nearly 1 acre of land, which is very near to the railway tracks, to this particular club, to the president of this club. And the land was given only with one condition: they have to do health and sports activities over there. So they will be promoting health and sports activities. And that has become a very big asset to this club. Now I invite Lion Dr. C.V. Achra, who is the president of Ulhasnagar Club, to come forward and give his presentation, his success stories. Lion Achra ji.
Thank you very much. Honorable Presiding Officer, Lion Surendra Bhosle ji, Dr. Surendra Bhosle ji, and very respected my Guru Omi Arora ji, and Raji, my old friends,
Yes.
Lion members. On behalf of Lions Club of Ulhasnagar, I am privileged to present before you the success story of Lions Club of Ulhasnagar. For this club, 3 past governors played very important role in bringing up this club.
Achra, मेरा खास दोस्त.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
ओमी जी बोल रहे हैं कि अचरा सर इज मेरे खास दोस्त हैं.
हाँ, ओमी जी तो इसलिए I mentioned it, and very important. I want to share with you, past District Governor Lion Rajendra Tanwani ji played very important role in reviving the club. The club has a very big assets. It started in 1970, but unfortunately in 2000 club was closed. But it took rebirth, I think, because of this project to come up. So we are thankful to Lion Rajendra Tanwani ji. Another past district governor who played very important role was Lion Nandlal Rajpal, who infused the funds and gave the first donation even before the LCIF grant. And of course, our third PDG Lion Hanuman Agarwal ji, who guided us throughout, and Lion Tawri ji, Governor Tawri ji, who helped us to prepare the project on LCIF. The club has a very big assets. It has 3,000 square yards land given for the purpose, as the Neeraj ji informed, for health and sports, but were lying deserted. So because of Lion Nandlal Rajpal, we could renovate the center. And then we applied for LCIF grant, and governors really guided us, and we got through the project. And in 2019, we could start. And Diagnostic and Medical Center is situated in the middle of the Ulhasnagar, heart of the Ulhasnagar. I would request Neeraj ji to run the PPT I have prepared. Project report, Lions Diagnostic and Medical Center. The other center, which has been named after Shrimati Khushibai Rajpal Healthcare Center, who gave the first donation. Second slide. Next. Our mission to provide excellent healthcare and all healthcare facility for serving needs of the society. The very important objective we have kept is to provide a quality medical services at the charitable rates. Quality health care and affordable for the society, and values they are given that very compassionate doctors team who are all MDs. They are running the center. Next, sir. Journey so far, Lions Diagnostic Medical Center was started in 2019, and all the operations were started under LCIF funding. We are thankful to LCIF. Then This is spread over 3,000 square feet, as I already told. Now we will need the guidance from OMIG because the land we want to develop a building to have a specialty eye care facility. We have already the expertise with our Sarvanand Hospital, which is situated in Ulhasnagar 5, but we want to develop a modern, this is our future plan, and we'll come back to OMIG for his guidance. And till date, 3,000 patients. A very important activity we have started is the Jan Seva Clinic. This is the specialty of this center. In 10 rupees, the MD doctor examines the patient, and all other facilities, of course, provided at the charitable rates. So this is doing an excellent thing in the Ulhasnagar, and with the specialists are actually examining the. Today, we have treated more than 7,000 patients at the center. Please, next, sir. This total project came up with a 83 lakhs cost, LCIF 34 lakhs, matching grant we gave 10 lakhs. Nandlal Rajpal ji has given 24 lakhs, but he has promised 25 lakhs rupees more when we go for the eye specialty hospital. We are thankful to Rajpal family. Other donation around 15 lakhs. Next, sir. Activities at this center are, I told you, very top activity, Jan Seva Clinic. 10 rupees is just a charge we take. Then polyclinic for a specialist consultant, advanced dental clinic. Dental treatment is very costly, but here we very affordable rates and charitable rate we provide. Modern machines have been purchased with the LCIF grant. We have the in-house pathology lab under MD pathologist, Dr. Murumkar, who is heading the team. We have the digital X-ray, ECG, and very important thing, we started the Lions Generic Medical Store. So medicines, direct 80% discount is given and 50% on the standard medicine. And we have the referral services also. Here we are lacking very important thing, that is a sonography machine. So our future plan is that, and I'm going to appeal at this forum that we want donations, or will go for the LCIF grant, of course, in the future, but immediate requirement is for ECG machine. And we'll name the department in the name of the donor. Next. Next, sir. These are the photographs. 10 rupees, I told you already. And all COVID precautions are taken at the center. And we have the ECG, X-ray, blood test, and all this. A great way for accessing quality healthcare for poor and underprivileged people. Medicine at 50% discounted rate. Next, sir. Specialist OPD, 120 rupees. All MD doctors. We have the orthopedic surgeon, ophthalmologist, ENT, general surgeon. Next, sir. Lions Dental Clinic is very popular now in Ulhasnagar, and because at very subsidized rate, MD, that is MDS doctors are treating the patient. Next, sir. Pathology lab, these are the photographs, and all tests are conducted. Next, sir. Lion that is digital X-ray department, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. This activity is going on, and orthopedic surgeon is also there. So this department is working excellently well. Next, sir. ECG, as I told that department, we have 150 rupees we charge for ECG with the MD doctor's report. Next, sir. Generic Medical Store. This is the name of Lions Generic Medical Store. Very authentic and with all lessons premises. And somewhere we also give 75% savings for the medicine. Next, sir. Other activities like a very important madam is gone. Actually, I wanted to thank Oswal madam. Under the guidance of Lion Ashok Mehtaji, who had been my very old friend when Ram Ujagar Tiwari was there, and I was a secretary of Lions Club of Ulhasnagar. Since then, I know him. And Lions Club of Ulhasnagar is a nodal club for Aruna Abhay Oswal Trust. Last November, the project has been inaugurated. This van is the most modern van donated by Madam's Trust, and that is serving 27 villages of the Haji Malang area and connected with the Swami Sarvanand Hospital wherever need is required. And it is all connected. It's very modern with the networking with all the hospital. Reports can directly be sent by the internet. And we have the camps, various different camps have been conducted. And now for COVID, our center has been selected by Ulhasnagar Municipal Corporation for corona vaccination. So that activity we are currently associated with. Now we have various medical checkups of UMC Kamgar and all. So now within just a span of 1 year, the center has become very popular, sir. Next slide. Future expansion plan is physiotherapy clinic because orthopedic is running well. So immediately that will be started soon. I think this. Then daycare center, where that center is already furnished, but activities yet to start because some doctors are going to join. And very need of the hour is sonography. Here I appeal to all at this center. There is all philanthropists. If help. And next slide, sir. This department will really serve the poor. We need sonography machine. We have all commonly required all things facilities except this, because somehow this we could not get it. And next, sir, this machine we are intending to purchase with all modern and scan, Doppler, 2D echo and all joined together. We want to have a latest machine so that all facilities we get from one machine. Next, sir. So this is our appeal. Lion Service Foundation aims to provide best quality services at most affordable rates to the society. So far, we managed to run the center on no profit, no loss basis for last 1 year. Your active support is required for expanding the Lion Center to cover complete range of diagnostic services, including sonography at center, making it one-stop solution for all medical needs. Sir, also I would like to add, our Lion Yoga Center has been started on the ground since last 1 year, and 50 to 100 people. They are regular and it is being conducted under Patanjali group. So morning 7 to 8 is conducted our Lions ground. So this is really helping us, the branding the Lion logo in the society. And with your guidance and all, Kamal Heda ji, Omi Arora ji, and all past district governors, we are lucky to have their guidance. I think we'll really achieve our agendas of the future. I am thankful to Bhosle ji for giving me opportunity give this presentation. And any question or any, please go ahead.
Very nicely presented the project report, Acharya ji. And we are very old very old friends, very
Yes,
old
sir.
friends.
Yes, sir.
So that makes me very happy that our Ulhasnagar Club Health Center is going very well, doing very well. And you have a very future project that you coming out with a new building. Plus, second thing, the sonography. If send me the quotations from which company it is available, I'll work out on that. Huh?
Nice of you, sir. Nice of you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Blessings. I will do that, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Bhosle ji. Thank you very much.
Very nice presentation, sir. Neeraj, see if at all somebody wants to ask questions.
Yeah. As I said earlier also, the mic is open. You have to unmute yourself and ask your question.
हेलो।
Yes.
Yes.
मुझे एक सवाल पूछना है।
हाँ सर।
कि योगा के क्लासेस जो है वो पतंजलि के साथ आपने टाइप मतलब बात की है, उनके आदमी लोग आते हैं सिखाने के लिए?
यस यस, पतंजलि के ट्रेंड जो टीचर्स है विद सर्टिफाइड टीचर्स वो आते हैं और पूरा सेशन कंडक्ट करते हैं। अभी मेरे पास मैंने फोटोग्राफ नहीं डाल पाया इसमें क्योंकि प्रोजेक्ट का ये था। एंड डेली इट इज बीइंग कंडक्टेड।
नहीं, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। दैट्स वो सोसाइटी में अपना लायंस का इमेज बिल्डिंग भी अच्छा होता हो।
ये सर, और वो ग्राउंड जो है एकदम सेंट्रल प्लेस पे, सुबह में लोग खड़े हो जाते हैं देखने को उधर।
यस यस, आपका स्पेस है उसका भी आप यूटिलाइज करके उसका भी बेनिफिट लेते हैं। बहुत बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Here I want to announce the line Ashok Sharma ji, first VDG from 321A1, who is currently right now in Canada. He has also joined us. Since you are in Canada, sir, we all say good morning to you. Although in India it is good evening.
Neeraj ji, I want to ask one question.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, madam.
Achra ji, congratulations and very nice presentation.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. आपका हमेशा सपोर्ट रहता है एकदम।
Sir, just I wanted to ask you because in a short time we are starting diabetes care center on behalf of my club.
Okay.
Lions Club of Thane Kopri.
Okay.
So just I read that diabetology section also you are having. Which machine you are having and which facilities you are providing to others?
No, that is I told you, AMD pathologist Dr. Murumkar is heading the team of the entire center. And वो himself pathologist है, तो diabetes के और इसके लिए जो है, और reporting system is so excellent. You the specimen really now ये तो छोड़िए भाई, हमने charitable rate रखा है, but very well to do families they come there just not because the rates are low but because it is very professional.
You don't have specific diabetology machine equipments?
No, that technical specification I am not able to comment on that because doctor is not with me, but I will share with you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Achra ji, ये जो आपका नीरज जी, can I ask?
Yeah, sure.
बोलिए।
Mic is open, sir.
ये जो आपने ये प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट LCIF को भेजने के लिए बनाया, तो ये इनिशियली यानी कितना ये इन्वेस्टमेंट उल्लासनगर क्लब की तरफ से आपको बताना पड़ा और फिर आपको LCIF से कितना आया, कुछ थोड़ा उसके बारे में बताएंगे?
ये सीधा फार्मूला है सर, 75% 5% हमारा दिखाना पड़ता है। हाँ, जैसे अभी 34 लाख मिला तो हमने 10 लाख रुपीस मैचिंग ग्रांट दिखाई और उसके ऊपर वो पेमेंट रिलीज होती है जब आप अकाउंट में दिखाते हैं पैसा कितना इसके लिए पड़ा है। स्पेशल अकाउंट खोलना पड़ता है। बाकी के ऊपर जो हमारे खर्चे हुए क्योंकि हमने ज्यादा एक्सपांशन किया तो वो डोनेशन प्राइवेटली और एडिशनल जमा किए। दैट इज व्हाई इट वेंट टू 83।
यानी 10 लाख रुपए आपको अकाउंट में बताने पड़े, बाद में 34 लाख आपको मिला।
यस, मतलब वो दिखाने के बाद ही वो रिलीज।
ओके ओके।
को बोलते हैं मैचिंग ग्रांट,
यानी इन शॉर्ट 25% मैचिंग ग्रांट आपको रेडी रखना पड़ता है।
हाँ, तब
तो 75% एलसीएफ देता है।
एग्जैक्टली।
यस ओके।
पर हमने तो फिर ज्यादा ही दिखाया सर वो, क्योंकि हमने पूरा एक्सपेंशन किया और भी।
यस।
Till now we are lacking sonography. We want Omi ji has, he has really given us some support, and he has asked me to submit the report, and definitely we are going to do it. So once that is done, our diagnostic center will be complete. They work on the eye, because we want a specialized and very. I am told that crores of funds are available for eye specialty hospital. So our next is that. So there I will go back and get his guidance.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Line Kamlesh Kundar is on there, on the line.
हाँ जी, हाँ, उसको जरा जाते हैं ना, साहब नीचे बैठे हैं।
Bhosle sir.
Yeah.
I don't think Shahpur has joined.
Yeah, you can speak a little about Shahpur, but before that, we would like to hear from VDG overseas, Kalam sir, so he can ask some.
Ashok Sharma ji.
Yeah.
Ashok Sharma ji. I'll just check out. The moment he is there, I'll ask him to speak up.
Yeah.
I think Shahpur has not yet joined in, and whatever little I know from that, Shahpur Club was started in 1980, and thereafter they started with the Lions Eye Hospital, which is a very famous project in our district, where they do a lot of eye cataract surgeries and all. Whatever readings I've got is they are doing nearly 1,200 cataract surgeries a year. Minimum of 1,200 cataract surgeries in a year, where they go into all the nearby villages and they identify the people and all, and they bring them to the Lions Eye Hospital, and these surgeries are done at a very nominal or free of charge for them. So this was one strong project of Shahpur, and as far as my knowledge goes, I think they have never taken any LCF grant for this particular project. It has been purely done by them, and yes, few contributions from our district. No doubt on that. So the last time we were there, we have requested them to please make a good project report, and so that they can upgrade their systems over there, and they can have a better eye care facilities. So that will be for now about Shahpur Club. Pramod ji.
Yes.
Pramod Saxena ji.
Yes,
yeah.
Sir.
Can we have your perception, sir? Namaskar ji.
Thank you so much.
Can we have your perception?
I think everything is going on very well or excellent. After all, my greetings to all of you. Thank you,
sir.